Merewalesi Rokouono. I'm from Nambenaneta Siri, Pasu Longani Bautaliu. I'm turned 30 this September. Primary school, I went to Sambeta Muslim Primary School in Nandi. I went to Jasper Williams for 2 years. Completed my high school in Sambeta College. Started with soccer 2015, 2016. Started playing soccer, then started playing sevens, joined Leilani Burns club, Nandi Blazers. Then went up to play sevens for Fijian, and then proceed to play 15s. Challenges are mainly for me training. Training has been tough, but then you set your goal on something, you have to work towards it. And it's gonna be tough, not easy. So the new girls, the talented girls, tell them what to do, discipline, especially discipline on and off the field, their timings, and mainly listening to your coaches. First game, I know it's going to be tough. You trust the training, the practices every past few weeks, and I know we're going to go out there and do our best. Teamwork. Hopefully, I know we're going to get the win. Hopefully. You set your goal on something, you work towards it, and it's going to be tough. A lot of ups and downs, but just keep pushing. If you get down, keep back up. 100%. Keep going, keep pushing.